When people are trying to refinance their house, the number one issue that comes up is the cost of the transaction. I'm a lender that helps people purchase and refinance houses, and there are strategies to reduce the cost to make it a better deal for you. So clearly in a refinance, you're trying to lower the interest rate so it reduces your monthly payment. But if the cost of the transaction outweighs the savings, it's not worth it. So there's a way that you can reduce the cost, and a lot of people are not aware of this. And it goes back to when you originally bought the house. When you purchased your house, you bought two title insurance policies. You bought a lender's title insurance policy and an owner's title insurance policy. So the lender makes you purchase one, and the reason why they make you purchase it is because they say that if anybody comes back after the transaction and tries to put any liens or judgments or anything against the house, this title insurance policy will cover them for the life of the loan. But then you buy a second policy, which does the exact same thing, only it's not for the life of the loan, it's for the life of the time that you own the house. It extends beyond the loan. But when it comes time to do a refinance, what's going to happen is the lender's going to say, hey, you've been in this house 3, 4, 5, 10 years. You're going to refinance. We want you to get another title policy. So here is the first thing you need to know. If you bought an owner's title policy when you actually purchased the house, you should be eligible for a reissue on the title policy. That means that you don't pay the full amount twice. Say you bought a $500,000 house, and at the time of purchase, you spent maybe $1,500 for an owner's policy. On the refinance, that policy should only cost you about $1,000. But there's a second thing. In specific states, and there's a bunch of them, about half the states in the US, if you're refinancing, you're doing a conventional loan and you're borrowing less than 80% of what the house is worth. So if you have a house that's worth $500,000, 80% of that is $400,000. If your loan is less than $400,000, you could be eligible for a waiver on the reissue of the title policy where you can save the full $1,000. And it's really important to either get the reissue, number one, and number two, make sure that you're not eligible for a total waiver because you could save anywhere between $1,000 and $1,500 on that refinance, which makes it much more beneficial to you as a homeowner.